Title tags. Title tags are one of the most important factors for SEO. They are the clickable headlines that appear in search results. A well-written title tag can help to increase your website's leads and traffic. Here are some tips for writing effective title tags. 1. Keep them short and to the point. 2. Title tags are limited to 60 characters. 3. Use keywords. 4. Include relevant keywords in your title tag. 5. Write a compelling headline. 6. Use action verbs, such as, click here, or, learn more. Here are some additional tips for writing effective title tags. Use your target keywords in the first 50 to 60 characters. Make sure your title tag is unique. 3. Avoid using the same title tag for multiple pages on your website. 4. Use keywords that are relevant to your content. 5. Don't try to stuff your title tag with keywords that are not relevant to your content. 6. Keep your title tag consistent with your brand. 7. Make sure your title tag reflects the overall look and feel of your website. Meta descriptions. Meta descriptions are short snippets of text that appear under the title of a web page. They are used to give users a brief overview of what the page is about and to encourage them to click on the link. Meta descriptions are not directly used by search engines to rank pages, but they can be an important factor in click-through rate. A well-written meta description can help to increase click-through rate. Here are some tips for writing effective meta descriptions. Keep them short and to the point. Meta descriptions are limited to 160 characters, so you need to make sure that your message is concise. 3. Include relevant keywords in your meta description. 4. Write a compelling headline. Use action verbs. Encourage users to take action by using action verbs in your meta description, such as, click here, or, learn more. Header tags. Header tags are HTML elements that are used to structure and organize web pages. They are displayed as bold, large text on the page. Header tags are also important for SEO, as they can help search engines understand the content of a page and rank it accordingly. There are 6 types of header tags, from H1 to H6. You should use only one H1 tag per page, and you should use the other header tags to structure your content in a logical way. When choosing header tags, you should use keywords that are relevant to the content of your page. Header tags are an important part of SEO, and they can help you improve your website's ranking in search engines. By using header tags correctly, you can make your content more accessible to users. Some tips for using header tags. Use only one H1 tag per page. 2. Use descriptive header tags that accurately reflect the content of the section. Use keywords in your header tags. Make sure your header tags are readable and scalable. Use header tags to structure your content in a logical way. Content. Content optimization is the process of improving your content so that it ranks higher in search engine results pages. There are a number of factors that you can optimize for, including keywords. Keywords are the words and phrases that people use to search for information on the internet. Title tags. Title tags are clickable headlines that appear in search results. Make sure to include your keywords in your title tags so that people can easily find your content. Meta descriptions. Meta descriptions are the short descriptions that appear under your title tag in search results. Header tags. Header tags are the bold headings that appear in your content. Content. Your content is the most important factor for content optimization. Images. Images can help break up your content and make it more visually appealing. Internal links. Internal links are links from one page on your website to another. Internal links can help improve your website's SEO by passing PageRank from one page to another. External links. External links are links from other websites to your website. External links can help improve your website's SEO by showing search engines that other websites trust your website. Site speed. Site speed is an important factor in SEO because it affects the user experience. A slow-loading website will frustrate users and cause them to leave the site. Mobile friendliness. Mobile friendliness is an important factor in SEO because it affects the user experience. Content quality. Search engines prefer to rank high-quality content. This means content that is well written, informative, and relevant to your target audience. Technical SEO. There are a number of technical factors that can affect your website's SEO, such as page loading speed, mobile friendliness, and duplicate content. You can improve your website's technical SEO by following best practices. Here are some of the benefits of content optimization. Increased traffic. Content optimization can help increase traffic to your website. 2. Improved ranking. Content optimization can help improve your website's ranking in search engine results pages. Increased credibility. Content optimization can help increase your website's credibility. Increased sales. Content optimization can help increase your website's sales. Images. Image optimization is the process of reducing the file size of images without sacrificing their quality. Reducing the image's resolution. This will reduce the number of pixels in the image, which will also reduce the file size. Using a lossless compression format. Lossless compression formats, such as PNG, can reduce the file size of an image without losing any of its quality. Using a lossy compression format. Lossy compression formats, such as JPEG, can reduce the file size of an image by removing some of the data, but this may result in a loss of quality. Image optimization is important for a number of reasons, including faster loading times. Smaller images will load faster, which can improve the user experience. 2. Improved SEO. Google and other search engines take into account the loading speed of a website. By optimizing your images, you can improve your website's ranking. Reduced bandwidth usage. Smaller images will use less bandwidth, which can save you money on hosting costs. There are a number of tools that can be used to optimize images, such as ImageOptim. ImageOptim is a free and open source tool that can optimize images using a variety of techniques. TinyPNG. TinyPNG is a free online tool that can optimize PNG images. JPEG Mini. JPEG Mini is a free online tool that can optimize JPEG images.